Hi everyone, welcome to Tip Time Thursday. We're in my bathroom again, and on top of my marble countertop is a paste of baking soda and water with just a tiny little dash of dishwashing soap, and it's dwelling on my marble countertop so we can polish it up and make it gorgeous and beautiful. If you have a marble countertop, you know you kind of have to be careful of what you clean it with, because some things will etch it and pit it and make it yucky. So today we're using just the gentleness of baking soda with some hot water and just a tiny drop of dishwashing soap. So I put the paste on and it's dwelling, and now I'm going to take and give it a scrub. The baking soda is gentle and it's just a little abrasive. Makes kind of mess, I'm letting you know right off the bat. I'm kind of pushing it into the sink so it doesn't fall all over the floor as I rub and scrub. Okay, let's rinse it off. So we scrubbed and we rinsed, and now let's dry it off and see how nice and polished our marble countertop looks. And there you have it, the perfect marble countertop cleaner and polisher. Everything looks beautiful. It's all nice and shiny. Even the steel faucets are looking gorgeous. They just have a little bit of baking soda on them, so I'm shining them up. Thanks for joining me on Tip Time Thursday, and go ahead and polish your marble countertops with baking soda, hot water, and a drop of dishwashing soap. Thanks. Bye.